Hey, what's up guys? I'm Shiva and you are watching Android Expert YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your any Android into iPhone 17 with complete liquid glass UI. So, let's begin.
Most realistic iOS 26 launcher. Actually, this is not launcher, this is complete package of iOS 26. Glass control center, glass notification panel, glass lock screen and more iOS 26 realistic options in just one launcher. Okay guys, first you have to download this launcher on your Android device. This launcher downloading available on description. So open this launcher, choose language, tap on continue. Now you can see wallpapers. Simply choose any one wallpaper, tap on continue. Now set permission. Now you can see welcome screen. Simply tap on continue and guys, first set again permissions. Now first set this launcher as default launcher. Simply ignore this message, tap on later and you can see all iOS 26 latest icons on this launcher. Camera and other all icons like iOS 26. Now guys, I will show you liquid glass control center. Now you can see liquid glass control center on your Android device. Realistic iOS 26 control center. Set brightness permission. Now I will show you notifications. You can see notification panel also in glass effect. This is hide. Now guys, simply go to launcher setting, go to desktop and you can see enable full screen mode. Simply go back, go to general setting and simply increase icon size. And guys, you can see icon pack option. You also set other icons with this option like liquid glass icons or other options, other icons. Now if you want to set dynamic island notch, then simply tap on this option. Now go back. You can see wallpaper. Simply tap and you can see many beautiful wallpapers with all categories. Now go to lock screen and make sure your lock screen is enabled. You can see guys, you also set passcode or pattern on this lock screen. Simply go back and simply tap on disable system lock screen. Go to your system lock screen option and simply disable your system lock screen. Now guys, go to control center. Simply turn off this control center edge. Now go back and guys, you also add many options on your control center. And guys, go to assistive touch and simply disable assistive touch. Now you also set dark mode on this launcher. and also you hide apps on this launcher. And guys, last option is Liquid Glass OS. Simply enable this option. Now simply tap on apply change and you can see your device completely look like iPhone. I just tap on icon and you can see app info menu also in liquid glass style. This is really awesome, right? I will show you app library also in liquid glass style. Side panel, you also set widgets on side panel. And guys, if you want more beautiful widgets like iOS, then simply go to color widget simply tap on start and you can see many beautiful widgets on this app. You can see guys, animated widgets also available on this app. Simply tap any widget and guys, add this widget with this watch ad option. Simply tap. Now simply tap on add and you can see this widget on your home screen. Simply edit home screen. Now you can see guys, beautiful widgets add on my home screen. And last step is simply go to phone walls and you can see iPhone 17 series stock wallpapers in this app. Simply choose any wallpaper and you can see save option. Simply save this wallpaper on your phone. Now go to gallery, simply set this wallpaper, lock screen and home screen. Guys, if do not apply iPhone 17 wallpaper on lock screen, then simply tap and hold, go to plus button and go to photos and choose this wallpaper from gallery. Simply add and set wallpaper as wallpaper pair. Now you can see iPhone 17 wallpaper also apply on lock screen. Finally, our Android device convert into iPhone 17.
I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.